Hello, in this video you'll learn how to use Nanite Displacement, a feature introduced in Unreal Engine version 5.3. It allows you to add a height texture to objects, giving them depth or height. This can turn a flat area into a more detailed landscape or object. Recently, in a tech demo for the upcoming game Marvel 1943, Unreal Engine showcased this feature by transforming a road. Initially, the road lacked detail, but by applying height displacement, developers added more depth and realism. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to achieve the same effect. First of all, you're going to want to make sure that you're using Unreal Engine version 5.3 or above. Next, we want to enable Nanite Displacement. To enable Nanite Displacement in your project, simply select anywhere in your project, right-click, and go Show in Explorer. Navigate to what your project's called, and we just want to go to the config file, then open up the default engine file. This should open up a text file, and we just want to go over to the script engine rendering settings. Next, we want to copy these two texts and place them below the R render settings. I'll leave a link in the description where you can just copy these texts exactly, and we just want to paste them here. Then just go File and Save, then close this. Open up your Unreal Engine project again and just restart it. Next, to test out this Nanite Displacement, I'm going to download a high quality material from Quixel Bridge. So if we just go here where it says quickly add things to the project and open up Quixel Bridge, you can sign in with your Unreal Engine account, and then we just want to find a surface. So something with a lot of texture to it, like a brick wall, will work well with this displacement feature. So I'm just going to find a stone wall, and I'm just going to use this castle wall. So I've just downloaded this, and then make sure to add it to your project by clicking this add button. So now that I've added this, I'm just going to go here where it says quickly add things to the project, and I'm just going to go to shapes and add a plane. I'm just going to scale it up, so I'm going to click this anchor and make it 5, and then I'm just going to hold the Alt button to duplicate this, and I'm going to drag in this material into it. So this is how it looks without displacement. It's very flat, and we're going to create another material which has the Nanite Displacement in it. So to do that, I'm just going to right click and go create new material. I'll just call this my displacement underscore material. We can open it up, and we should see the displacement here if we enable the settings correctly. And if you're using Unreal Engine 5.4 or above, you'll see the displacement here, although you'll see that it's unhighlighted. In order to make it enabled, just select the material, scroll down, and then enable Tessellation here. Then they'll make it so you can see the displacement value here. And then I'm just going to drag in its base material, its normal material, and this material. We want to connect from here into the base color. We're going to connect from here into the normal. And for this one, we want to connect the blue into the displacement, the green value into the roughness, and this red value into the ambient occlusion. And if I just select this displacement map, scroll down, we should go here where it says displacement, and here we can change the displacement of this material. So let's just go apply to make sure it saves everything. And then I'm just going to drag this displacement material onto here. And as you can see, the material has a bit of displacement to it. If I increase the settings, so I'm just going to make this like 10, and this value 3, then just go apply. And we can see this has some depth to it. You may find that the displacement isn't working for you. In order to make sure that displacement works on a mesh that you've basically applied the material to, you just want to head over to that mesh. So if you're using the plane, just go here, open up this plane, then in the details, in the search, look for Nanite, and just click this box which says enable Nanite support, and that'll make sure that it can work with the Nanite displacement. So that's how you can easily add Nanite displacement to your meshes inside Unreal Engine. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to do a video on the motion matching when it comes out, and if you want to learn how to create full games inside Unreal Engine, check out my website unrealengineuniversity.com, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!